here's the control panel. For control panel, NDR laser more or less doesn't have too much differences. Right? You see here, this one, you can choose 164 or 532. And here is energy. Here first is frequency. Frequency is how many frequency you want to use. Here is level, start, spot size you can be choose. And there's a counter. And chart means start. So it's very simple, very simple. Normally you just, the important one is the energy. And also the frequency, also important, also the level. These three ones are very important. You need to control it very well. When you are controlling very well, you can do many treatments. And the same like IPL, can really do the treatments, can kill the bacteria or kill the target tissue without hurting the normal tissue. That's also very important for a professional doctor. For here, and there will be some different alarms. For example, if the machine doesn't have enough water, and or the water is not flowing, and there will be like water flow error. So that means something wrong with the water flowing system. You need to check the machine. So, or the simmer error will say that it cannot be charged and the laser light cannot be light on. Like that, there will be different alarms for different problems of the machine. Good machines are always having that, okay? So you can use it very safely and no problem. What you have to do is to control energy very well.